This item is for sale in my eBay store. The link is in the description of the video. The bear is not included, and it is only the train as seen. Okay, so to turn it on, you switch here, and then the item is going to go, and it's supposed to have a rock, and when it hits that rock, it pushes this in, and the flaps come down. So it's just driving. I don't have a rock. I'm wondering, here, I have this. Hold on. Okay. And then I had it hit the bear. And you can see it hits the bear. The face turns, the flaps open. Let's do it again. So this item is tested and working. This is what it looks like. Again, we'll shut it, and you can see his little face has the marks on it. It opens. And it turns his face. Get a different angle for you guys. So that's from the back. And then to turn it off, you just hit the switch. There you go. And it's got a little connector if you have another piece. I don't have another piece. This is the part that goes in and makes it open. You can shut it and it pops back out. So it is tested and working. Didn't hit the leg to pop it open. And when it's open, this is what it looks like. And again, just turn it off that way. Okay, this is how the batteries go in. It takes 2 AAA batteries. They go in the top, and then this fits over it, and you screw it back in here.